Excellencies, distinguished delegates and representatives, colleagues, friends, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to have been invited by Fun and Education Global Network and Tendercare Junior Academy to preside over the World Food Day celebrations in your excellent school. UN Habitat's vision of a better quality of life for all in an urbanizing world is bold and ambitious. We work with partners to build inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable cities and communities. UN Habitat works in over 90 countries to promote transformative change in cities and human settlements through knowledge, policy advice, technical assistance, and collaborative actions. In cities and urban areas in East Africa, livelihoods and incomes of populations are seriously affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, particularly for those living in informal settlements. These urban populations are more vulnerable to food insecurity and unstable livelihoods as they mainly depend on the informal sector. It is estimated that the number of food insecure people in East Africa will increase to more than 41 million people because of COVID-19. As we celebrate World Food Day, we should recognize that the world's population is growing and the availability of new arable land is shrinking, thus ensuring food and nutrition security is our greatest development challenge and one we must not fail. This lack of food security is of great significance in the Southern Hemisphere, in which the majority of population is considered food insecure. In order to create the conditions for lasting food and nutrition security, our efforts must be sustainable economically, environmentally, and socially. I congratulate His Excellency, President of Republic of Kenya, for having launched the 4K clubs in schools. This is not only going to be utilized for learning, but also for addressing food security in schools and its environments. I congratulate Mr. Kenneth Monjero, President of Fun and Education Global Network, for calling on us to celebrate World Food Day in style, the launch of Agritech program in support of 4K clubs in schools. Indeed, I highly agree that the best way to address food security is through an inclusive approach, attracting, engaging, and nurturing children in agricultural science and innovation. My office is in the support of the establishment of smart gardens, especially in urban schools, utilizing limited space yet addressing food security issues. I encourage agricultural institutions like Amiran, the International Institute of Tropical Agriculture, and Rutoba, who are present today to support this initiative of Agritech in schools. Research geared into applications that benefit both the public and private sectors can foster partnerships that are essential in building strong economies and sound societies. I would like to commend Fun and Education Global Network for their vision of attracting, engaging, and empowering learners across the globe. Food security is indeed a global issue that needs everyone's participation. By working together and supporting sustainable agricultural development in schools, I am confident that we can not only improve the food security of children who are hungry, but create new opportunities for the government and people of Kenya to shape their world for a better tomorrow. Thank you.